Hello everyone, well I've arrived at the Palais Theatre, it's right here. Whoa. And just looking at the posters, also advertising what's happening inside. We are here for OMD, Orifices Mustard Detachment, no, Orchestral Maneuvers in the Dark. And right next to it, 80s Mania, I'll be going to that also in March next month. They have added the Escape Club. They were not in the original lineup, but they were added later. So they're quite high up in the hierarchy. So Wang Chung are the headliners. Yeah, so I imagine in this list the Shantuzis will appear first, opening the set, and Wang Chung will close. Sorry about the reflection. Got today's show is orchestral, that's right, Maneuvers in the Dark. Box office opens at 7, doors at 7:30. The Underground Lovers Moda Discoteca is the support at 8:15. There's an interval at 8:45. OMD come on at 9:15 and finish at 10:45. Okay, these are just some other acts. I have heard of Ben Elton. I don't know who HSCC is. I've not heard of Jeff Arcuri, and I don't know who Ziggy Alberts is. So. Yeah, so there you go. Palais Theatre is right next door to Luna Park, just there. It's got obviously the Great Scenic Railway, that's quite historic. Yeah, I'd imagine if you owned one of the homes across the road, it would be worth millions, I gather. You're on a beachfront location. Clouds are starting to form, where there were no clouds before, but I doubt it's going to rain. Just happy to be in the shade. I'm massively early still. I don't know what else to do. That's new in the distance there. I just might zoom in. There's a Ferris wheel. Oh, not a Ferris wheel, a observation wheel. I've not seen that before. I don't know if that's only a temporary structure or something that's permanent for St Kilda. Yeah, I never noticed that before. Alright, well, maybe I'll just sit down over here for the moment and decide how to kill the remaining time. It's getting closer and closer, but clearly nobody's lining up yet. Because it's only, let me just check the time, 6 o'clock. So an hour and a half to go. Alright, twiddling my thumbs till later. Bye for now.